Today I'm planning to talk about word must, modal verbs must. We use must to uh, do when the things are necessary, when there is a necessary to do, necessity to do something or compulsory. And also we use must to give advice or order. That time we use must. Here, first one, I must finish my homework before dinner. So this person task his duty to finish. So he has to complete before going to have his dinner. So he must finish his dinner. She must attend the important. She must attend the important meeting tomorrow. So someone is uh, like suggesting her, like advising she should attend her meeting tomorrow. She should not miss. Compulsory she should attend. So it is her responsibility to do attend meeting. And next one, we must follow the safety guidelines. We must follow the safety guidelines. This is our all. We have to follow these guidelines under must and should. Compulsory. Everyone has to follow guidelines, safety guidelines. Otherwise, we have to face problems if we don't follow safety guidelines. So we must take a strong safety decision, strong decision to avoid bad things and all. So when we take safety guidelines and safety uh, things, when we choose to do safety guidelines and all, we avoid those happening, such bad events or bad things going to happen. We can avoid those things. So next one, they must prepare for the upcoming exam. They must prepare for the upcoming exam. So it's their duty. There is necessity to do a read for their exam, study for their exams. If they don't, they'll get less marks. Maybe they get fail in their exams if they don't prepare for their exams. So they must prepare. They have no other way to stop prepare for their exam. So have to prepare for the exam. So compulsory they do. Compulsory they have to prepare. He must wear a helmet while biking. He must wear a helmet while biking. It is uh, like telling someone to do something, like obligation. He has to wear. So he has to wear helmet to avoid danger. We have to wear while riding bike and that. So it is our responsibility to take care of ourselves, take care of something. So it is must and should that we must wear helmet while biking. Next one, you must submit your application on time. You must submit your application on time. They like this person's responsibility to submit application on time. So after that time, even if we submit, there is no use. So within that time period, that person should submit. That is what he needs. So he is advising, ordering that person to do this task before getting late. Next one, she must study for her driver's license test. She must study for her driver's license test. So she wanted to take test license, then she should study for her driver's license test. So she has to complete this task. This is her duty to complete studying driver's license and I must check my email for important updates. I must check my email for important updates. So if we check, we'll get to know what are the emails that we have and which are important and which are not important. So it is our duty, our responsibility to check and answer those emails. So must and mandatory, compulsory, we have to check to get to know about emails and important or whether they are important or not. Updates. So updates means like what to do, what not to do, uh, like the things about work, project work. If that person is working on some project, so where he has to he gets the update every day. So he'll know he works according to his updates through the mails, important mails and all. Next one, we must respect each other's opinions. We must respect each other's opinions. So when we respect each other's opinions, uh, there is a good relationship between others' opinions. We get good bond with each other, respecting others' opinions. So you will gain trust between them. So it must compulsory respect. They must clean their room before bedtime. They must clean their room before bedtime. Before getting into bed, going to sleep, they should clean. They must clean. Their duty to clean their room before going to bed. He must be careful while using sharp tools. He must be careful, otherwise he gets hurt while using sharp tools. They are sharp edges and all. It chances of getting hurt themselves. So someone is telling he must be careful, advising careful with the sharp objects, sharp tools, so that he won't get injured by those sharp tools and all. You must always tell the truth. You must always tell the truth. Yeah, compulsory. His duty is, yeah, we have to tell the truth. So there is good if when the person lies, so nobody will trust that person. When we tell always, if we keep things in honesty and we tell all the time, when we tell truth all the time, then people will trust on you, people will believe in you what you are doing. And also it a good way to maintain trust between other people, and to whom you are living, at home or outside. So truth is very important. So we have to be true, honesty with those things. So you must always tell the truth. If you say, if you lie with someone, then whenever you tell the truth, even if you tell the truth, then people have like lost their hope to trust you. So always uh, telling the truth is good. We have to tell the truth. And next one, she must visit the dentist for a checkup. She might have problems, so someone is suggesting her, advising her to visit. So compulsory she should do, because her teeth is getting maybe root problem or decay. I don't know, but she must visit the doctor, dentist, to get checkup what problem that she is facing. So she will get relief those problems immediately. Teeth pain and all, it's very painful. So that person is advising her to visit dentist soon. We must address climate. We must address climate change urgently. So climate is going to be changed. So we have to tell this. That is what it means. We must compulsory our responsibility to tell this thing very urgent. That is what it means. And they must exercise regularly for good health. They must. So they must exercise to keep their self health and fit. So they have to do. We have to do regular exercise. Exercise keeps you physically fit, and also it not only just makes you fit, also uh, gain good health by doing exercise, and they feel energetic all the time. That's why they must means compulsory. Everyone we have to do regularly exercise for keeping our health good in balanced maintaining balanced health, and all. Everyone should do exercise regular basis. I must save money for future expenses. I must save money for future expenses means like what you are going to take. If you are planning to take something, if you are planning to buy something, for buying things you need money. So if you save now, so you will spend that money to buy something. So you must save to uh, get something. So for that expenses, that money you spend for buying or anything. So when we save money, so we use that money whenever we want to. So future, next moment, next time when we want to do something, if you want to buy some vehicle, so when you have enough money to buy, so you will buy by spending that money. That is what it means. So we compulsory our duty to save money for future expenses. You must take responsibility for your actions. You must take responsibility for you have to care with those things, to what tasks someone has given to you. So you have to be compulsory complete, and yeah, you have to be careful certain things, and you must take responsibility to those tasks, and next one, she must keep her promises. She must keep her promises. When we say some things to someone, like promise, when we do promise, so we have to follow according to our promise, and we should not break our promise. If you if you say something to some person, I will do this and that. So we have to keep that promise. So we must keep that promise. We should not break what we have given them, what we promised. According to that, we have to follow. Next to